This is a 4 kilowatt ballasted ground mount, 10 panels, 400 watts each. See, it used CMU blocks to hold it down. Normally you would put weed barrier under it, but we didn't do that because my wife's in horticulture and doesn't like weed barrier. So I put in a ground cover that doesn't get too tall, but the grass invaded. Yeah, these are not very expensive. The racking is like literally like about 14 or 15 cents a watt, something like that. It's pretty cheap. Anyway, and it's very easy to install by one person. Anyway, we can talk about it. I also have the kind of ground mounts that you put in with posts and concrete. And we also have the kind of ground mounts that if you can get the guys out here with the equipment, you can just pound the posts in. But concrete's usually easier if it's a do-it-yourself job. All right, and that's only about, $80 worth of concrete blocks. It wasn't a lot. And my dogs love it. Have a great day.